Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So if you are facing this black wallpaper issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 and if you are unable to set or change any wallpaper, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So there are two methods. So let's start with our method 1. First go to the Windows icon, then click on settings, then click on ease of access, and in the display section scroll down and you will get this option, show desktop background image. Simply turn this option on. That's it. Turn on this option and you can see the issue has been resolved. Now the black wallpaper is gone. So this is your first method. Now move on to our method 2. Just go to the search bar and type control panel. Then click on this option, control panel. Now change this view by option to small icons. Then click on ease of access center. Now click on make the computer easier to see. Just click on this option. Scroll down and make sure this option is untick. Okay. Remove background image. Okay. If this any tick on this option like this, just remove this tick. Okay. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. So these are the two methods you can apply to fix this black wallpaper issue. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.